We have to understand that living in a place, if it is man against nature, man loses. So I'm here in Blantyre, a city that has been hit by catastrophic impact of climate change. The Cyclone Freddy that came rushing into this country on the 12th of March this year. Look at the rocks behind me, look at the size of these boulders, and imagine them coming through your home.
Tinabwezesa maphunziro ana mbuyo pa zinthu zimene zinachitikazi ambiri akhangatana kuphunzidwa ndi mantha ngati kungothawa ndi panopazi kumavuta kuti takupeza ganyo yokuti tigwire tipeze chakudya cha siku ndi siku zimakhala zovuta kwambiri.
So what are the solutions? Well, we have to be aware that this is a country that struggles with electricity supply. This is a country that has just 12 to 13% connected to modern electricity. So what we need to talk about is finding alternative to fuel wood and charcoal so that people can, yes, get their cooked food as they deserve, but also not have the deforestation taking place.
There has to be a way in which the energy question is actually addressed in the resilience strategy to climate change. So this is a very clear demonstration of nature-based solutions. Very few trees planted, 90% regenerated, causing improved soil cover, and that's what reduced the flooding.
We must see climate justice, we must see climate finance. It is unacceptable that those countries that have done the very least to impact on climate change are suffering the very most. And these are the kind of elements that we from UNEP, the United Nations Environment Programme, together with our broader UN family and all development partners, will seek to find solutions to, because we cannot leave a country like Malawi to face another Freddy of this nature and impact. The country deserves support, and it deserves it now.